Hey, what's going on, folks? This is Keith, and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. Today, I've got my '04 Ford Ranger, and I've recently replaced the blower motor with a salvage yard blower motor, and it won't work. I've got the vehicle running right now, and you can see that I've got the blower turned on. I've got the position on the vents there, so it's not blowing. There's no air coming out of those vents right there, and I know what's going on, and I thought that this would be a great video to show you. This is pretty common. It's got a bad spot on the motor, and I'm going to show you how I test that. So we're just going to go walk out here and get around to the blower motor here. That's my new blower motor, or my used blower motor. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the this rubber mallet right here. I can't get the rubber part of the head down there, but I get the handle down there. I'm just going to pop it on the side of the motor, just like that. And I actually heard it come on. I don't know if you heard that or not, but we'll go back inside here and see what we got. So, yeah, we got air blowing out the vents now. We got all speeds there. So yeah, that's a great example of how to test for a bad spot on the motor, on your blower motor. And this works for a lot of motors. I've got another video. I'll have a link down in the description too on how to do the shade tree method of testing for a bad fuel pump. Fuel pump's a motor just like the blower motor's a motor. There's little spots or brushes inside there, and they get some bad spots on the part of the motor that it rubs up against, and it takes a little jostling to break it loose and get it to work again. So that's my bad on that for putting the salvage yard blower motor in. Anyway, I guess I'll have to replace that again in the future. Also, I got a link down in the description to a video where I replaced that blower motor. You're welcome to watch that too. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody. Please like and subscribe. Please read the entire description down below before you attempt this or apply any of this knowledge. There's other stuff that you need to know before you do this or apply this. And as always, thank you again.